Afternoon. We've seen some quite nasty thunderstorms already today with some local flooding. And in fact, we still have a weather warning out for further heavy downpours across the home counties northwest of London and into the Midlands. Some nasty driving conditions in the next hour or two. So we've been following that rain band then, working up through Guildford, clearing from Guildford now, but heavy downpours around Oxford and moving up into the South Midlands. And you can also follow that band of thundery rain right up through into the Liverpool area, across the Irish Sea and into eastern parts of Northern Ireland. It's been raining in Belfast almost all morning. Well, that wet weather then will continue to work northwards, giving some heavy and thundery downpours across western parts of Scotland this afternoon. Still a few heavy downpours too further south, but I think they will tend to ease off in southern areas of England before more push up from France. Now, these inside of England and Scotland bad today, there'll be some bright weather, some sunshine coming through, and quite bright too, I think, for southwestern parts of England and Wales, although still some mist around the coast. Now, temperature-wise, well, still quite cool on the coast, around 17 or 18. Inland, and humid outside today, temperatures of 24 or 25, which is up into the mid-Fahrenheit. And also, we've got those high air pollution levels as well, especially for that's tonight, a rather murky night coming up. Once again, a lot of mist and low clouds, and it means temperatures generally in, not too many in the south, but I think the main emphasis will be across these northern areas of England, up into where they'll still be quite heavy, I think, with some rumbles of thunder. Now, still some showers around tomorrow as well, but we will soon, in fact, as we head through the weekend, we'll start to get rid of the showers westward, and it will turn somewhat cooler and much drier, I think, for many areas with quite a lot of pleasant sunshine. Tomorrow, though, does start off rather murky in a way, gradually